you how I do my hamburger helper potato stroganoff using my homemade hamburger helper seasoning. So with that, I've got 1 pound, well, maybe a little over a pound of burger here. And I'm going to start frying this up. Now, because my husband doesn't eat the onions, I can't put onions in this, but this is when you would want to cut up your onions and put them in with your burger. I'm just doing this plain. Okay, so I got that broke up a little bit. I'm going to get this fried up, and the only thing I'm going to add to that meat is a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to put that on there right now before it starts frying. So I'm going to brown this up, and I'll show you up over here. I've got a 1/2 cup of the seasoning blend, the hamburger helper seasoning blend. I got a heaping 1/3 cup of mixed veggies, and that's how I get the grandbabies to eat extra veggies. And then I've got my dehydrated potatoes. Now you can use real potatoes, not a problem. Just cut about, I would have to say maybe, 5 or 6 medium-sized potatoes. Not a whole lot, or else eyeball it. They're not going to expand like these will. So I use, and if you're going to use the dehydrated or dried potatoes, I'd use like maybe 3 cups, three nice handfuls. And then I've got 2 cups of water, because I do have powdered milk in the mix. And then I've got an extra cup of milk, because I want this a little on the creamy side. So that's what I got to put in here. And I'm going to get this fried up, and then I'm going to show you how I put this together. So I will be back. Friends, I'm back, and look, there is this hamburger isn't my sirloin, and that's the oil, the grease that I drained off in that burger. So, okay, with that, I am going to put my water in here, okay, and my seasoning. Now I'm just going to stir that around. And you can tell, it looks like hamburger helper already. This stuff is wonderful, you'll love it. And you can enjoy it without the chemicals. Okay, so with that, I'm going to throw in my, you can put as many vegetables as you want. I just do just a few. Just a little bit. So, with that, I've got my big old Now I do between 2 and 3. And I'm going to pour my milk in. I got a cup of milk. Only because I like it a little creamier. You don't have to add the milk if you don't want. Okay. We got that. Okay, I can use a few more. Okay. There. That's probably perfect right there. That's probably a good 3 cups. Figure a good handful is a little less than a cup. Okay, now when you do this, because you're doing this homemade, you go by the recipe that I'm going to give you, but you may have to add a little more liquid or a little more milk or whatever, but that's fine. It won't hurt anything. Just add a little more if you need it. But for that right there, that's all I'm doing, and I've got it turned way down low. And that's not the lid that's going to fit. I got the wrong lid, but I am going to put a lid on this and let it simmer. And when it is done, it's going to simmer about 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. So when it's done, I'll be back and show you. Okay, friends, look at this is done. And I'm just getting ready to serve it up. Isn't that beautiful? That turns out wonderful. Okay, so with that, I'm going to put a dollop of sour cream in there and mix it up really good, because that's what I do just before I serve it. That gives it a little extra creaminess. Besides, my family loves it this way. Of course, you don't have to add that. Wonderful, look at that. And I wish you could smell it. It smells fantastic. And this way you can enjoy a little hamburger helper and not have to worry about the chemicals and the ickies in it, so to speak. So anyway, I'll just dish a little of that up. Looks nice. There you have it. That's how easy it is to put together, and it smells fantastic, and it is very budget friendly. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.